Hey students, in the last class we discussed about the Legendre equation, its solution, and also about the Rodriguez formula. Now with the help of Rodriguez formula we derive Legendre function of first kind and also we derive the Legendre polynomial from Rodriguez formula. With the help of Rodriguez formula we get the result Pn of x is equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power n over n factorial differentiation of x square minus 1 raised to the power n up to n terms. Put the value of n is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on in the Rodriguez formula. We get the results. When we put the value of n as 0, p0 of x gives the results 1 over 2 raised to the power 0 into 0 factorial d0 by dx 0, that is no differentiation. 0 minus 1 raised to the power n gives the results 1. 2 raised to the power 0 gives the results 1. 0 factorial gives the results 1. So we get the results p0 of x gives the results as 1. Now we put the value of n as 1, that is p1 of x gives the results 1 over 2 raised to the power 1. 1 factorial d1 over dx, that is first differentiation of x square minus 1 raised to the power 1. One by 2. The differentiation of this term gives the results like 2x. Cancel out 2 to 2. We get the results p1 of x as x. Now we put the value of n like 2, that is n is equals to 2. The Rodriguez formula becomes p2 of x is equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 over 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 factorial d square by dx square x square minus 1 raised to the power 2. So we have to differentiate this term up to 2 times. When we solve this, we get the results 1 by 2, 3x square minus 1. This gives the value of p2 of x. What will be the value of p3x? You can find putting the value of n is equals to 2 and p4 of x, n is equals to 4, n is equals to 5. We get the results of different polynomials. For numerical purpose, these terms are important. We discuss one numerical on the numerical like this: express 4x cube minus 2x square minus 3x plus 8 in terms of Legendre polynomial. What is the question? The equation which is the function of x, we have to express this as the function of Legendre polynomial. So in place of x we have the values like p1 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x, that is in term of pn of x. As we discuss, p3 of x contain the term x cube, p2 of x contain the term x square, p1 of x contain the term x. So we have to put the value of x cube, x square from here from these terms, and we get the results in term of p3 of x, p2 of x, p1 of x, p0 of x, like this. Put the value of x cube from here which contain x. Put the value of x square which contain only p2 of x. Now the equation becomes like this, which contain the term x. Now solve the x terms. Coefficient of x becomes different and we put p1 of x in place of x. After putting these values, we get the results like 8 by 5 p3 of x minus 4 by 3 p2 of x minus 3 by 5 p1 of x plus 22 by 3 p0 of x. For solving these terms, or we can say that when we want to express the polynomial in as the function of Legendre polynomial, which was the function of x, we have to use p naught of x, p1 of x, p2 of x, and p3 and so on. Now we have to derive Legendre function of first kind. To derive Pn of x, we have to use Rodriguez formula, which contains the term x square minus 1. We can expand x square minus n by using binomial expansion, and we get the results nc0 x square raised to the power n 1 raised to the power 0 plus nc1 x square raised to the power n minus 1 into minus 1 plus nc2 x square raised to the power n minus 2 minus 1 by minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus nc3 x square raised to the power n minus 3 minus 1 raised to the power 3 and up to ncn minus 1 raised to the power n. We can write it as summation of ncr x square raised to the power n minus r minus 1 raised to the power r, which can rewrite as summation of r is equals to 0 to n ncr x raised to the power 2n minus 2r minus 1 raised to the power r. So in the Rodriguez formula, we get the results Pn of x is equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power n factorial dn over dxn summation of r is equals to 0 to n minus 1 raised to the power r ncr x raised to the power 2n minus 2r. We have to put the expansion results like this. After rearranging the terms, we get the results summation of r is equals to 0 to n, where for the last term r is equals to capital N is such that power of x for the last term is either 0 or 1. So we get the result Pn of x is equals to summation of r is equals to 0 to n minus 1 raised to the power r 2n minus 2r factorial over 2 raised to the power n r factorial n minus r factorial n minus 2r factorial x raised to the power n minus 2r, whereas r is equals to capital N is the last term such that the power of x for the last term is either 0 or 1. So we can say that about n as n is equals to n by 2 if n is even and n is equals to n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd. Remember this term when we put the polynomial as the result summation of r is equals to n of this function. We have to remember the value of capital N like n by 2 for n even and n minus 1 by 2 for n odd. Now the results becomes Pn of x is equals to 2n factorial over 2 raised to the power n factorial into n factorial x की power n plus minus 1 2n minus 1 minus 2 factorial over 2 raised to the power n 1 factorial n minus 1 factorial n minus 2 factorial x raised to the power n minus 2 and so on. We have to take in common out as the 2n factorial over 2 raised to the power n factorial whole square. We get the results like this, which gives the results Pn of x is equals to 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 over n factorial into x raised to the power n minus n into n minus 1 over 2 into 2n minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 2 plus up to so on. This gives the results of Legendre polynomial. So we can say that we can derive the Legendre polynomial with the help of Rodriguez formula.